going to
Chocolate Hill.
here we are for a lot of visitors waiting. The mall has just passed by, but we had not gotten any video of it. So yeah, maybe I'll show you again, take a picture of it, and we'll explore Chocolate Hills. There's a lot of people.
We're riding a bus. We're going to Chocolate Hill. Hershey's Hills.
Oh, come on, Pacho. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, Pacho.
We're having fun here.
So sorry. It's really a tricky road. It's like bumpy and jumping.
Such a bumpy road.
We're like
jumping.
we're like really jumping here because of the bumpy road. So,
There's so many trees.
but at least we had fun. So yeah.
We're heading to
Chocolate Hills.
Cadbury Hills. Ulit.
It's like chocolates. It's chocolates. It's really full of green. So yeah, actually
There's so many trees here.
the bigger tree.
Wait,
It's really a long trip, so I guess I'll take interesting video of it. Maybe not now. I'll take a video of it after when we arrive at Chocolate Hills.
We'll take another video.
We'll take another video if we will arrive at the Chocolate Hills. So in case you're getting bored, please watch. Thank you.